Dear students, we will continue the module 1 with the third lecture video. In this video, we are going to study the convergence of IT and IoT, and second topic is IoT challenges. So let us see the first topic, that is comparing the operational technology OT and information technology IT. Now you see, we will compare the OT network and IT network. So operational network and informational network. So based on different parameters or criteria, we will compare both the networks. So on operational focus, so under the operational technology network, we will give more priority of running the business 24/7. So it keeps the business operating 24/7. But for IT network, manage the computers, data and employee communication system in a secure way. We provide more security to the data, computers and communication of the employee. Next parameter is priority. In the operational technology, we give high priority to the availability, then integrity and then security. But in the informational technology network, we give most priority to the security of the data, then integrity of the data and then availability of the data. Next parameter is types of the data. What types of the data will be monitored in OT network and IT network? So types of the data in OT network is monitoring data, control data and supervisory data. But different types of data in IT network will be voice data, video data, transactional data and bulk data. Similarly, in the field of security parameter, it's a controlled physical access to devices. It's a in operational technology network, all the physical devices, access of all the physical devices will be controlled, but devices and users authenticated to the network. So all the devices and users must be authenticated to the network. So only authorized device or users can access the network. So this is how the OT network and IT network differ with each other under the given criteria. Next topic is IoT challenges. What are the challenges of IoT? So basically there are five main challenges in the IoT. First one is scale, then scalability, then security, then privacy, and then big data and data analytics and interoperability. These are the five challenges we face in IoT. Now let us discuss one by one. So scalability. Since under the IoT, it's the main focus of Internet of Things is to connect everything, every physical devices with the internet. So the more devices gets connected with the internet, the more data will be generated and all things need to be connected with the internet and work properly. So here to manage this huge billions of objects connected with the internet, we face lot of challenges. So earlier we used to have IPv Internet Protocol address IPv4, which got exhausted. Now we use IPv6. So scalability is one great challenge for the IoT. More and more devices gets connected with the internet. So if any device is vulnerable for the attack or for intruder, so any intruder can attack the vulnerable device, and through that device they can access the another devices which are connected with the internet. So security is another great challenge for the internet of things. Another thing is the privacy. Privacy is another great challenge because everything which is connected with the internet, whether hospital, institution, private sector, uh, hotels, government, defense, every have their own private data. Since everything is connected with the internet, so every individual need to uh, have privacy of the data. So since under the IoT, everything all are connected with the internet, all the institutions, hotels, private sectors, businesses, everything is connected with the internet. So making the data uh, private for individuals is the great challenge for the in the IoT. Next great challenge is big data and data analytics. Since as I told you, many billions and billions of sensors are connected with the internet through IoT. Many objects are connected with the internet. Now everything which is connected with the internet, it is generating some data. So billions of objects, billions of sensors are generating automatic data. So we have a huge amount of data in terms of zettabyte. Is to to maintain those big data, it is a great challenge, and analyzing those great data which is in zettabyte is another great challenge. So this is another great challenge of the IoT. Next great challenge is the interoperability. So see, many mobile devices, laptop, refrigerator, washing machine, electric bulb, houses, everything is connected with the internet for a smart house. Now everything will be having a different uh, structure, hardware structure. Someone will be having a different processor, mobile will be having different operating system, different processor, laptop will be having different operating system, different processor, your geyser will be having different processor, your washing machine, uh, uh, everything will have a different operating system and the processor. So to make everything connected which are not on the same structure at different structure which follow different protocols, it is a great challenge for the IoT. So these are the five great challenges for the IoT as we discussed. Okay, thank you very much.